Hi again! In the previous episode, we finished the work of improving the UI. In this episode, we will take a look at what kind of graphics we have to make our levels more interesting. After that, you will have free hands to design the levels and make the game look like you want it to. Let's start with Crown 2 Sprite. Drag Crown 2_0 to the scene. Snap it to the left side of the crown platform. Then drag Crown 2_1 to the scene and snap it on top of the Crazy Crown sprite. These two sprites make it possible to create vertical walls seamlessly with horizontal grass blocks. They have also their mirrored counterparts. Then there are also a few cave parts. Drag Crown 2_2 sprite to the scene. And then Crown 2_10 and 11. Set their order in layer to -5. If you have a floating crown platform, you can move these cave parts under it. This is enough for the Crown 2 sprite. Next, locate the background sky sprite. Drag it to the scene and set its order in layer to -10. You can scale it horizontally as much as you want. Then take a look at background forest sprite. Slice it with the cell size of 910 by 512. The middle part of the forest is seamless, so you can fit as many of them as you want next to each other. Lastly, there is the background tree sprite. Slice it with the automatic type. These are individual trees that you can plant anywhere. Alright, now you have been introduced to these extra sprites. From this point on, you have free hands to design the levels as you want. When you're done with all the levels, the last thing on this course is to build the game. We will do that in the next episode. Remember to save the scene. See you in the final episode.